Subscribe to my channel Ghiloo and keep yourself updated by pressing the notification bell about new videos. Keep growing, keep learning. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ghiloo. So in this video I'll be talking about the recent capture of a supermassive black hole by the Event Horizons Telescope or EHT by 200 scientists all around the world. So today in this video I'll be talking about what is a black hole, what causes the formation of a black hole, and why just clicking a small blur picture of that supermassive black hole caused such a huge uproar and international sensation. I am Jitbandhu Lahiri, you are with Ghiloo. Please watch the full length video to know the same. So without any further delay, let's get started. Black holes are an incredibly huge amount of mass that is concentrated in a very small region in the interstellar space. The gravitational field of a black hole is so intense that no matter or radiation can escape from it once it enters into it. Hence, anything that enters a black hole, it is theorized to be lost forever without any trace. Although it is not fully understood yet, but theoretically a black hole is formed by the gravitational collapse of a star which is at least 5 times the mass of the Sun. According to physics, a star is stable only because the gravitational pull of its collapsing exactly balances the outward pressure generated by the large-scale nuclear chain reactions going inside it. In huge stars of that scale, when there are no more of fuel left, the outward pressure becomes so intense that it bursts out, which is an explosion of unimaginable scale. Now the core which is left after explosion starts to collapse under its own gravity, being so much massive, until a point when it becomes a black hole. Now, to give an idea, a rough idea, you need to compress the Earth into the size of a coin in order to make it into a black hole. After a black hole forms, it grows by sucking anything that it gets nearby, as nothing can escape from it. Now, a supermassive black hole is millions of times more massive than a stellar black hole which we were discussing just now, and exists mostly at the center of galaxies. It is not known how it is formed, but there are various theories to do the same. M87 is a very large elliptical galaxy located roughly at 55 million light years from our solar system. That's beyond imagination once again. The center of M87 contains a huge supermassive black hole which is 6.5 billion times more massive than the Sun. To shed some light of comparison, the galaxy at the center of our Milky Way, called the Sagittarius A Star, is just expected to be 4.1 million times the mass of Sun. From the last 50 years, huge amount of mathematics and physics went into it, followed by the phenomenal discoveries of scientists and cosmologists like Stephen Hawking. But unfortunately, we never were able to figure out how a black hole looked like in reality because of primarily 2 reasons. Firstly, a black hole cannot be seen as it does not let any information out of it. And secondly, any known black hole is so far away that no known technique could pull out any reasonably satisfying picture of it. The reason why the launch of first ever picture of black hole on 10th April 2019 became an international sensation because it was almost an impossible feat. It was like clicking the picture of a coconut that is kept in the moon from your smartphone here on Earth. Hence over 200 scientists from all over the world collaborated with a special technique. This specific project was ongoing from 5 years, where 8 radio telescopes placed on 5 different continents together formed a virtual telescope of the size of the Earth. And it is called the Event Horizons Telescope project, or the EHT project. Katie Bowman, a brilliant 29-year-old graduate from the MIT, or the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, devised the algorithm which combined 5 petabytes of data to process the image from all the telescopes around the world. Hence this seemingly impossible feat became a reality on 10th April 2019. The fact of satisfaction were that the actual picture turned out to be a very close to the simulations by Hollywood directors and scientists. Furthermore, Einstein was proved right again, as relativity said that the center of any black hole would be perfectly spherical, which it is indeed in reality. The real picture, as seen here, consists of a bright ring which actually are superheated gases around the blackish center, which is the black hole. These rings are basically the superheated gases which are around millions of degrees of centigrade and are of huge intensity, emitting light. So ultimately it is a proud moment for humanity today and a step closer to understanding these mysterious objects that may explain the formation of our universe. Inside a black hole, as is mathematically predicted, the space-time curvature is infinity. That means there exists no time or space inside a black hole, which is a bit illogical, rather out of sense to us. Near to a black hole or any massive object, time slows down as is explained by relativity, and this opens new doors of possibilities of some interesting discussions like time dilation and time travel. We will further take this discussion on a broad scale in the upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe to Ghiloo for showing us support for amazing discussions for today. Thank you very much.